It's now time for Section 1. In this section, teams will be asked questions alternately and will have 10 seconds to answer. Each correct answer is worth 1 point, and earlier we had the toss, and Supreme Prep won and decided to send Greater Portmore Primary batting first. This section lasts for 4 minutes, and with that time on the clock, we begin with Greater Portmore. Bible knowledge. In the Bible, what relationship was Lot to Abraham?
Jnr, do you know if it's brother?
Uncle.
Incorrect. Nephew. Supreme Prep. Bible knowledge. Name one of the 3 sons of Noah.
Ham.
Correct. Greater Portmore International Affairs. A visual question. Look at the monitor and identify this person.
Anyone who would know if it's Donald Trump?
Would you like to try, Supreme Prep?
No, thank you.
Former British Prime Minister Boris Johnson. Supreme Prep International Affairs for you also. A visual question. Look at the monitor and identify this person.
Charles.
Incorrect. Theresa May, former British Prime Minister. Science. Greater Portmore. What is another name for a seed leaf?
A seed leaf is a
Cotyledon. Cotyledon.
Correct. Supreme Prep. Science. What is the name for the seedling of a flowering plant that has 2 seed leaves? Would you like to try, Greater Portmore?
Yes, sir. Dicotyledon. Dicotyledon.
Correct. Greater Portmore Television, a visual question. Look at the monitor and give the first and last names of this cartoon character.
Is it?
Would you like to try, Supreme Prep?
No, thank you.
Cindy Vortex from The Adventures of Jimmy Neutron. Supreme Prep, a visual question for you. Television, look at the monitor and give the first and last names of this cartoon character. Would you like to try, Greater Portmore?
No, thank you.
That's Carl Weezer from The Adventures of Jimmy Neutron. English language, Greater Portmore, what is the comparative form of the word positive?
More positive. More positive.
Correct. Supreme Prep, English language, what is the superlative form of the word exciting?
Most exciting.
Correct. Greater Portmore sports, a visual question. Look at the monitor and identify this person.
Darren Bravo.
Incorrect. Dwayne Bravo, cricketer from Trinidad and Tobago. Supreme Prep sports, a visual question. Look at the monitor and identify this person.
Exactly.
Would you like to try, Greater Portmore?
No, thank you.
That's Jamaican cricketer Andre Russell. General knowledge, Greater Portmore, what is the capital of Ecuador?
Quito. Quito.
Correct. Supreme Prep, general knowledge, what is the capital of Argentina?
Buenos Aires. Buenos Aires.
Correct. Greater Portmore, social studies, which word means the things of value, tradition, culture, etc. that other ancestors have passed down to us?
Heritage. Heritage.
Correct. Supreme social studies, which word means the way of life of a particular people, including customs and traditions?
Cultural. No culture. Culture. Culture.
Correct. Greater, and we don't have time for any more questions in this section. That's the end of Section 1, and the scores are Greater Portmore Primary on 5 and Supreme Prep on 4. Now, before we head to the break, here's a friendly tip from Guardian Achiever. Remember your manners. Say please, thank you, and excuse me. All these show your respect and consideration for others and demonstrate your appreciation and gratitude. Some good advice there from Guardian Achiever. Please stay with us. Season 20 of TVJ's Junior Schools Challenge Quiz returns right after these messages.